How do you build an indoor futsal pitch worthy of Korea and Japan's football legends? First, we remove the old artificial turf and messy infill, followed by a complete deep clean. Install our Shinturf. It's designed to deliver peak performance without any infill. Shinturf combines a heavy-duty shock pad with a premium turf layer to prevent injuries and boost durability. The market in Korea is shifting toward FIFA-standard sports turf. Shinturf was developed to lead that change. The very pitch where legends played. The difference in technology is the difference in essence.